Hey there! Welcome to Porter's RV Sales here in sunny Williamston, South Carolina, where your next epic journey begins. We're thrilled to roll out a nearly new 2022 Thor ACE. 29.5 with just 12,000 miles, priced at an unbeatable $97,900. This 30-foot Class A motorhome, built on a sturdy Ford F53 chassis, boasts the family-friendly 29.5 floor plan with a huge super slide-out, an exterior kitchen option, and sleeping for up to 6, thanks to a king bed and a power drop-down bunk bed above the 2 front seats. Join us for an exciting tour to uncover every adventure-ready feature of this fantastic deal. Let's start outside, where the 2022 Thor ACE 29.5 makes a bold impression. Measuring a compact 30 feet, it's built on a heavy-duty Ford F53 chassis, delivering a smooth, confident ride for all your travels. Powered by the new Ford 7.3-liter V8 gas engine, it produces 350 horsepower and 468 foot-pounds of torque, and comes paired with a Ford TorqShift 6-speed automatic transmission with overdrive for responsive performance and towing capabilities. Brand new tires all around guarantee you're ready to hit the road with confidence, while the durable construction ensures reliability and comfort in any weather. The exterior is packed with features to elevate your camping experience. Side swing baggage doors on large basement storage compartments provide ample room for camping gear, outdoor toys, or travel essentials. The optional exterior kitchen, complete with a mini refrigerator, stainless steel sink, and pantry storage, is perfect for outdoor meals or barbecues with friends. An exterior entertainment center with a 32-inch TV adds fun for movie nights or tailgating under the stars. A power patio awning and slide topper create a shaded retreat, while 4-point automatic hydraulic leveling jacks with touchpad controls ensure quick, stable setup. The rear and side view camera system with an in-dash monitor makes navigating tight spaces effortless. Powering your adventures is a breeze with this RV's reliable systems. The Onan 4.0 kilowatt QG generator with autogen start delivers dependable power for off-grid camping or remote getaways. A 50-amp service, paired with a power inverter and battery disconnects, ensures efficient energy management. Optional dual roof-mounted AC units with heat pumps and upgraded 50-amp service keeps you cool in summer and cozy in cooler weather, perfect for year-round travel. These systems are designed for practicality, letting you focus on enjoying your journey without worry. Step inside, and the 29.5 floor plan welcomes you with a spacious, family-oriented interior. A huge super slide-out creates an open layout that sleeps up to 6, ideal for families or groups hitting the road. The layout features a king-size bed in the rear master bedroom, a power overhead drop-down bunk above the front seats, and a table dinette that transforms into additional sleeping space. The front living room is a cozy hub with dual theater recliners and a 40-inch wall-mounted TV, perfect for relaxing or family movie nights. With the touch of a button, the overhead bunk stows neatly when not in use, preserving living space, while modern cabinetry and durable flooring create a stylish, practical vibe. The full kitchen is a standout, built for effortless meal prep. It's equipped with a stainless steel gas-electric refrigerator and freezer, a gas stovetop and oven, a microwave, and a stainless steel residential sink and faucet, making it easy to whip up anything from quick snacks to full dinners. Ample cabinetry keeps everything organized, while the sleek design adds a modern touch. The private bathroom is a gem, featuring a large shower enclosure with a skylight, toilet, power vent fan, sink, and vanity, offering a refreshing, spa-like experience on the road. The thoughtful layout ensures convenience and comfort for all your travels. The rear master bedroom is a plush haven designed for restful nights. The king-size bed, paired with a 32-inch TV, wardrobe closet, and drawer storage, provides comfort and organization for your essentials. The slide-out creates a spacious, airy feel, enhanced by coordinated window treatments for a warm, home-like atmosphere. The combination of the king bed, overhead bunk, and dinette offers flexible sleeping for up to 6, making this RV perfect for family vacations or group adventures. Let's recap the features that make this RV a true winner. The 29.5 floor plan with its super slide out offers a spacious interior that sleeps 6 with ease. The Ford V8 engine and F53 chassis deliver reliable performance, while the Onan generator and 50-amp service support off-grid exploration. Standout amenities like the exterior kitchen, overhead bunk, and dual AC units add versatility and comfort, making every trip enjoyable. Picture yourself exploring the open road in this 2022 Thor ACE 29.5. From mountain trails to lakeside campsites with your family or friends. Imagine cooking in the exterior kitchen, relaxing by the 40-inch TV, or unwinding in the king-size bed after a day of adventure. This RV blends home-like comfort with the thrill of travel, ensuring every journey is filled with joy. With its low mileage and family-friendly design, this coach is ready to create unforgettable memories. Let's dive into why this ACE is a top choice. Thor's thoughtful design shines in the compact yet spacious layout, modern finishes, and practical features like the power drop-down bunk and exterior kitchen. Safety features like the rear and side view cameras provide peace of mind, while the cockpit's intuitive design and in-dash monitor make driving a breeze. From the hydraulic leveling jacks to the spacious bathroom, this RV is built for adventure and comfort. Ready to make this gem yours? Priced at just $97,900, this 2022 Thor ACE 29.5 is a rare find for a feature-packed motorhome with low miles. Call us at 864-260-9276, email sales@portersrvsales.com, or visit www.portersrvsales.com to learn more or book a test drive. The Porters RV sales team is pumped to get you rolling in this awesome coach. Thanks for joining us for this thrilling walk-around of the 2022 Thor ACE 29.5. Check out more RV tours on our YouTube channel, Porters RV Sales. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. With its exterior kitchen, spacious interior, and unbeatable price, this RV is a must-have. Call us at 864-260-9276, email sales@portersrvsales.com, or visit www.portersrvsales.com to claim this 2022 Thor ACE 29.5. This is Porters RV Sales, and we're excited to see you hit the road in style.